Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we get started on this mini makeup haul again, you're gonna be amazed and pleased by this video like me, hopefully. Please hit the like button, and please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I'm hopping on to do another mini makeup haul. I wanted to show you what I got. Some of it's new and some of it I'm restocking on because I was running low or I was out of. So here's the bag. And I'll start with this. This is just a restock of stuff that I needed. So, I'm gonna open it. Should have opened it off camera, but I didn't. Here we go. Take off the sticker. Okay, there we go. Sorry to bore you guys. But this is a restock for me. It's a Lipsense Eyesense Black pencil eyeliner. This stuff is amazing. Smudge proof, waterproof. So good. It's the best eyeliner I have ever used in my whole entire makeup life. So, and I will put my very own link so that you can shop whatever you want in this haul. And trust me, you're gonna want everything that I got. And it lasts a long time. So I got, this is a restock for me. This is a Glossy Gloss. It goes over your Lipsense. So this would be a starter kit, but it goes over top of your Lipsense. It is a must after you put the 3 thin layers on. So that was a restock for me. The next thing that I got was a card, and I will open that off camera. And then I don't know exactly what this is. It's a Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. So I might do a tutorial on it and try it out for you guys with me for the first time. And then this is new to me. I've never tried it. So you've heard me talk about and use the Silver Rose powder. I finally got my hands on the Bronze Dust powder. This is what I'm talking about. It comes in a container instead of the brush. I don't have the brush out here, but this is all I got. I'm super excited to try this out. This is why I have no makeup on, because I want to test it out and do another tutorial for you guys. So stay tuned for that, because I am super excited about this. And this will last me a long time. So I got these 4 things, and I will insert pictures of all of them. So that this was a gift. This was free. You can't get it on Synogen site. So sorry, I'm making that clear. But I will insert all of these products that I used. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Please follow me on my Instagram account. You can directly message me there. It's redesign16. So I am so excited to try these products out and show you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell before you leave so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Every first come, first serve before anyone else sees it. So, thanks for watching.